How to pay Best Buy credit card bills online. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do that. For this, you first need to head over to your web browser and search for Best Buy credit card login. Then you can visit City My Best Buy credit card website, which will be right on top. Go ahead and tap on it. And once you're here, you can sign in to make payments. You could also view statements or manage your account. Alternatively, you could also use the one-time payment option without logging in. Now, the next step is to navigate your way to make payment. So once you have signed in, you can look for the make payment button and click on it to begin. So just wait for the website to load up and sign into your account, and you'll find this make payment button. And once you tap on it, you can choose how much and when to pay and which bank to use. So just tap on this make payment button and you should be good to go. You can also schedule your future payments all the way up to 45 days ahead. And to avoid any missing due dates, you can set up recurring or automatic payments after logging in. That's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically pay your Best Buy credit card bills online. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next video.